So for the last few months, whenever I try to play COD Mobile on Gameloop, I would always get an error when I tried to update, and I couldn't play. Anyway, I ended up uninstalling because the last time that happened, that's all I did, uninstalled, reinstalled, and it worked fine. This time, I did the same thing, and it wouldn't work. So I would just get update configuration failed. I had no problem downloading other games. This would only happen when I would try to download COD Mobile. I would get that issue with the update configuration failed. Other than that though, every other game played just fine, downloaded fine. And it's been like that for a while. I tried different solutions, including running CCleaner to get all the junk off the computer, and that didn't work. Then I tried doing the VPN solution, that didn't work. Finally, I ended up going into the temp folder in the C drive, and I found the 10-cent folder in there. I just went ahead and deleted everything. Went back up and opened Gameloop from the get-go, and then try to install COD Mobile, and that worked. So basically, here's the process.
Here we go.
When you go ahead and to delete the temp folder, before that, make sure you shut down Gameloop and make sure that you stopped or cancel the download of COD Mobile where it gives you update configuration failed. Open it up a couple times and make sure it stopped, because sometimes it keeps running in the background. And you should have no problem deleting it then, because sometimes if it's open, it won't let you delete it. It tells you that some process is using it or something.